Hi, and welcome to Science Week. These are my helpers today. Lucy, say hi. And Matilda, say hi.
Hi.
And today in Science Week, we're going to be looking at how to build a volcano. So when we're looking at how to build a volcano, it's a really easy experiment that a lot of you have probably tried before, and we don't need many things. We only need a few things today. What we're going to use first is if you have any Play-Doh at home. Now we don't have Play-Doh at the moment. What we have is play clay. Do you want to show them the play clay, girls? Show them the play clay. You need that. You need just some bicarb soda and some vinegar. That's really all you need. If you want, you can use some food colouring. Do you want to show them the food colouring down the end?
And a little bottle so you can build a boat.
And a bottle. You could use a cup, a paper cup, whatever you want. Now this is going to be our volcano, the base of our volcano. So what we're going to do now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to build a base around it to make it look like a volcano before we tip in some of the bicarb soda. So now I'm going to set my little workers off to try to build me a volcano. All right, off you go, girls. Okay, now after we've built our volcano, what we're going to do is we're going to start tipping in. What's going next, girls?
Vinegar.
Oh, the bicarb soda is going first.
Soda.
So we can't really tip our bicarb soda into here without it getting mixed up. So I've just used a piece of paper and I've sticky taped it together. I'm going to try and put that in a little bit like that. See how that goes. And then we're going to slowly try to tip. Oops, let me stand up a little bit, please, Mark. Okay, are we happy with that, girls? All right, Lucy, you can take out the funnel, Lucy. Lucy, take out the funnel.
Come on, take it out together.
Now, before we start the next part, I think we have to ask a question, girls. Which colour do we want our volcano to be?
It can be any colour you want, but we can choose any colour.
What are we going to choose?
Maybe we could choose blue.
Blue? Okay.
Actually, no, red, because that would be cool.
A bit like lava?
Yeah.
I think maybe we might choose a bit of both, because there's not much red left in this one. So let's put some red in.
What about a bit of yellow too?
Alright, Lucy, do you want to put some colours in?
I feel like a bit of yellow.
Lucy, don't tip the whole thing, just a little bit of blue in. That's it. Yep.
I'm going to do
Tip upside down. Tip upside down. Just a little bit of a squeeze in. Good girl. Yep. Oh, perfect. Yep. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, now girls, for the next part, I think what we're going to do is we're going to move away. My glasses are getting foggy. We're going to move our microphone away a little bit over here, and we're going to put our volcano right in the middle. Now by putting it right in the middle, we're going to make sure, because girls, guess what? When it explodes, it's going to go all over you. It's going to go all down here. So if you get scared, you just tell me, all right?
What about
So,
was that we put the glasses?
the glasses, we don't need glasses for this, it'll be okay. Now, I've got a question for you. When we tip this in, are you going to be scared? Are you going to be scared? Alright. Do we need a countdown timer? Do we need a countdown timer, girls?
Yes.
Alright, here we go. Ready? 10, 9, 8, you going to count with me? 7, 6, come on, watch. You got to watch. 5, 4, 3. No, you got to watch. What's the point if you're not going to watch? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Our volcano's wetting your shirt. Oh no! Alright, do you want to move down to the next step?
It's wetting my pants.
Oh, it's wetting your pants. That's not good.
I'm weeing.
You're weeing. That's pretty funny. Alright, so.
It smells gross.
It does smell gross. So we're going to move you out of the way, Lucy, so it doesn't drip onto you. And we're going to say bye. This is our volcano lesson. Our next lesson we're going to do, we might do something, maybe a lava lamp. Alright, we're going to say bye. Wave. Bye. Thanks for watching.